Hello, this is our academy in Holzminden. This is where we teach about innovative building technology from Stiebel Eltron. Today we will explain what you need to consider when specifying or installing electric instantaneous water heaters from Stiebel Eltron, and why you need to know which appliance to choose for what purpose. In order to achieve our goal and treat our customers with excellent hot water comfort, a number of technical aspects must be taken into account. How much hot water is drawn and at what temperature depends on three values: the inlet water temperature, the flow rate, and the appliance output. For excellent hot water comfort, an instantaneous water heater needs a high connected load, but only for short periods. In the case of apartment buildings with 10 households using one instantaneous water heater each, this doesn't mean that the building needs a 10-fold connected load. For instance, the German standard stipulates that generally only a few of the instantaneous water heaters are in operation simultaneously. In the case of 10 residential units, 33% of the theoretical total load is sufficient. In a building with 100 residential units, this factor drops as low as 6%. A similar calculation for hotels will result in slightly higher factors. The water pressure in the system also plays an important role. For this, we will take a look at the installation room. To function, our appliances need a supply pressure of at least 1 bar. If this isn't available in your area, a pressure booster station needs to be employed. Excessive mains water pressure, meaning 10 bar or higher, requires the installation of a pressure relief station to prevent damage to pipework and appliances. When installing an instantaneous water heater, the installer must ensure that water flows through the pipework and that there's no air left in the system. Only then should the power be switched on. This is important as the appliance can be damaged by airlocks or by being operated in a dry state. If the water supply is interrupted, for example due to a burst pipe or work on the mains outside the building, it is imperative that the circuit breaker is tripped. And as before, water must flow through the instantaneous water heater before its power supply is restored. A few other factors must also be taken into account when installing instantaneous water heaters. For example, local installation regulations, the maximum required hot water temperature, the conductivity of the water. Check out the Stiebel Eltron website in your country for further information. Local Stiebel Eltron teams are happy to assist with detailed questions. For excellent hot water comfort around the globe. Join us again at Stiebel Eltron. There's lots to see and lots to learn, and plenty of room for good ideas. Stiebel Eltron.